In today's video, I'll teach you how to add payment method on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here at top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your account name. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find this option for account settings. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to access your account settings over here. You'll be able to find the options like activity, messages and account over here. Make sure account option is selected. Now you'll be able to find the options like personal info, payment information, account preferences, selling, etc. Under the section for payment information, you'll be able to find this option for payments. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the payments interface. You'll be able to add the payment method over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for add cards and accounts. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the cards and accounts over here. You'll be able to see this question. What will you use this payment method for? Checkout, auctions and offers. Click on the option of your choice and click on this option continue. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add the payment method over here. You'll be able to find the options like credit or debit card, PayPal and Venmo. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've clicked on this option credit or debit card. Now click on the option continue. If you also clicked on that option, you'll be able to add the credit or debit card over here. What you have to do is simply enter the card details over here. First of all, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now after you do that, also enter the expiration date. First of all, select the month and select the year. Likewise, enter the security code over here. After you do that, enter the first name. Now also enter the last name. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the add option that you can see on the screen. Now if your card number is valid, this particular credit or debit card will be added as the payment method in your account. So like this, you'll be able to add the payment method. So that is how you add payment method on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.